Right, it used to be the donkeys would just see Calamity and they would be afraid. And she's on a long leash. And now they don't even move when we throw the ball. Let's do this again. This is another way just to help your donkeys get used to the dog just by playing with them. Then when you have them in there with you, just make sure that you can protect them in case your donkeys do go after your dog. But this is a big improvement from how it used to be. They used to be so terrified of her just being out when we go on our walks. Now they're curious. There you go. Now you're not. Ready? Okay. She's remembering. Yep. Good girl. Good job. Ready? Ready? Sit. Get it. Get your stick. Go get it. She wants to.
Calamity, come on. Hey. Get your stick. Get it. Come on. Come on.
You guys show her how to swim.
Get it. Get your stick. We need to go to the shallow. There's your stick. I see your stick. Calamity, look, get him, get him, get him. Look it, over here. What's that? Randy, look. Get him. She didn't keep going. She didn't keep going.
They're
That's
too
good.
fast, Dad.